Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make jam donuts at home. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, and warm milk. Begin by activating your yeast in the warm milk with a teaspoon of sugar for about 5 minutes. Then, combine this mixture with your dry ingredients, forming a soft dough. Knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place. This proofing step takes about 1 to 2 hours, or until the dough has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch it down to release the air. Next, roll the dough out on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch round cutter to create your donut shapes. Now it is time to fry your delicious donuts. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 2 or 3 donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them and let them drain on a wire rack. Once your donuts have cooled slightly, it is time for the best part, filling them. Choose your favorite jam, like strawberry or raspberry, and fill a piping bag fitted with a small, round tip. Carefully insert the tip into the side of each donut and squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of jam. Finally, roll the filled donuts in granulated sugar for that classic, sweet finish. Enjoy your homemade jam donuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.